What are you thinking, Becky? Yes, no, maybe? Thinking about it? Maybe? Maybe? Becky, come here, sweetheart. Sweetheart, you love going outside. Not so much today, huh? No? Oh. Oh, I'll give you determination, cat. It's okay. I'm here to rescue you. Yeah, I am. I'm here to rescue you, cat. All right, Becky. You really like being outside, huh? Sweetie, maybe I should put you back in. You want to go back in, Becky? I'll put you back in. Do you want me to grab her and put her back in? No, she's dealing with it. Oh, we got a great little butt shake there.